Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay here, and before this video starts, I want to say a huge shout out to everybody that showed love on the last video. The views are going crazy, so if you're new here, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking an on-feed look at the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s. If you guys haven't seen the full review yet, the link will be down below. Also, all of the pants that you see in the video will be linked down below as well. And have y'all seen the prices of the Lost and Found Jordan 1s? The prices are going down, so I'm super excited to see where they're going to sit after they drop. If I'm not mistaken, right now they're hitting for about $350, which isn't bad, but again, I'm excited to see where they're gonna hit after the release date. Anyways, let me know what your favorite pant combination was in the comment section down below, and also let me know if you're going for a pair of these, and I'll see y'all very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Deuces. Oh, and before I forget, don't forget to do your holiday shopping with your boy. I have all these custom goods available on my website for 20% off right now. No discount code needed. Link in the description. All right, I'm out. Peace.
It's just the way I am. I can never change for anybody. Give a fuck if ain't nobody understand me. See the money in my hands. That's when everybody acting friendly. You don't know me, so just stay the fuck around me. Bitch, I came in with a plan. I ain't doing all this shit for nothing. I got family and the ones that stay behind me, and I know I got them mad. They don't ever wanna see me win and think I'm finished, but it's only the beginning. So I gotta keep my head high. I can be on standby. Why you keep on talking, bitch? You need to get your bread right. I've been working long nights, living in that fast life. I can never switch up on my brothers for the limelight. Surround myself with bosses and the ones that have a vision. You ain't talking about a dollar, don't expect for me to listen. All that talking be so cheap when you don't even have ambitions. You're not doing shit for me, bitch, I don't care for your opinion. Why they saying that I changed? Applying all this pressure, don't take away the pain. You ain't never show me love when I was stuck inside the ring. I had to take a different route, I took the hard away, and now this shit don't even hurt me since they took my heart away. I'm mixing up these drugs and they keep fucking up my brain. My shorty disappointed, she be begging for a change. I ain't never mean to be like this shit, I'm the one to blame. Should've known this shit would happen when I stepped into the game. They wanna come around and think I gotta owe them some. Bitch, I did this by my darling, I don't need to owe you none. You see the way I'm coming, how I'm running up my funds. Early morning, longer nights, and now we spend that shit for fun. Some days it be feeling like the shit ain't what it was. Gotta keep it moving, I refuse to give it up. All the talking they be doing, swear that shit ain't adding up. And our blood don't make us family, give a fuck about I am. I can never change for anybody, give a fuck if ain't nobody understand me. See the money in my hands. That's when everybody acting friendly. You don't know me, so just stay the fuck around me. Bitch, I came in with a plan. I ain't doing all this shit for nothing. I got family and the ones that stay behind me, and I know I got them mad. They don't ever wanna see me win and think I'm finished, but it's only the beginning. It's just the way I am. I can never change for anybody. Give a fuck if ain't nobody understand me. See the money in my hands. That's when everybody acting friendly. You don't know me, so just stay the fuck around me. Bitch, I came in with a plan. I ain't doing all this shit for nothing. I got family and the ones that stay behind me, and I know I got them mad. They don't ever wanna see me win and think I'm finished, but it's only the beginning. Wanna look back at the past, but these days only getting harder. I've been holding on for way too long. I put the karma over drama, nowadays I'm moving smarter. It's the only thing that keeps me strong. And I don't wanna be the one to break your heart, but I can promise you that I'm the one to stay. Cause I do better by myself, I swear I don't need no one else, and I don't wanna have it any other way. This money coming in, but it don't change a thing, cause I've been on it, trying to push me out the way, but I'm gon' get to it regardless. Bitch lying to my face, and now they wonder why I'm heartless. It's embedded in my brain, and it's been fucking with my conscience. I need that ice around my neck, I love the way that it be shining. I know I ain't perfect, but I hope you see me trying. Hide a lot of pain, I cover up when I be smiling. Making noise like symphony, she singing like a violin. How you changing on me, can't believe that I was fucking with you. Now they speaking on me, they don't know about the shit I've been through. Watching every move, it's funny how they tryna press the issue. Do me wrong and only once, and tell me what that karma gets you. Holding back these years, the only thing to do is reminisce. Staring at the mirror, I kept my word and I ain't breaking it. I know how it feels to walk around and think you don't exist. This one for the kids who feeling broken, hope you feeling this. Don't wanna look back at the past, but these days only getting harder. I've been holding on for way too long. I put the karma over drama, nowadays I'm moving smarter. It's the only thing that keeps me strong. And I don't wanna be the one to break your heart, but I can promise you that I'm the one to stay. Cause I do better by myself, I swear I don't need no one else, and I don't wanna have it any other way. I can never let it go, I've been holding on too long. 80% I know they won't do the same for me until I ain't alive. People leasing all these chains and all these foreigns just to flaunt it. I just wanna make my family proud and get them what they wanted. Bitches never kept it real, I swear they always be dishonest. I've been waiting for that day until we take off like a rocket. Early morning, long nights, make it hard for me to sleep. It's like a rope around my neck, it's getting hard for me to breathe. They don't know all my potential, they just kept me underneath. Now they hearing all my songs, I got them clenching on their teeth. Don't wanna look back at the past, but these days only getting harder. I've been holding on for way too long. I put the karma over drama nowadays, I'm moving smarter, it's the only thing that keeps me strong. And I don't wanna be the one to break your heart, but I can promise you that I'm the one to stay. Cause I do better by myself, I swear I don't need no one else, and I don't wanna have it any other way. I done did so many things that I wish I didn't do. Wishing I could take it back, but I know it's too late to do. I was caught up in my ways, I was blinded by the truth. Too many sacrifices made just so I could get to you. I done did so many things that I wish I didn't do. Wishing I could take it back, but I know it's too late to do. I was caught up in my ways, I was blinded by the truth. Too many sacrifices made just so I could get to you. Sometimes it's hard for you to get what I'm expressing. I'm giving it my all, just listen to the words I'm spilling. Lord, I've been doing wrong, so many sins, can you forgive them? All these problems keep on coming, spark a blunt just to forget them. And my mind been going crazy lately, don't nobody know. Walk around with my head down, feel my heart is getting cold. Put my hands together, pray.